How to change Google Map view. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change the view of Google Map. First of all, open the application. Now, here on the right, you can see the small icon. Tap on the small icon. So this is the section which changes the view of the whole map and the whole interface. So here are different options available. Now it's set to default, but you can change into satellite or even terrains. So you can select any one. Here I'm selecting satellites. Now if you go back, the whole interface has been changed. So it has been changed into the satellite forms. Here if you tap it again, there is another option called terrain. So tap on terrain, and if you go back, as you can see, it only shows the roads and important places. So this is how you can change view in Google Maps. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.